Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix any latency problems you might be having with GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can find audio recorder and so on. So guys, let's say you are having some latency problems. I'm going to open up the audio recorder option right here. And let's say that you're having latency problems either with your song directly, it's lagging when you're playing, you cannot save your project because of the lag and so on, and you have all of the options right here that are not being used properly because of your latency problems. Basically guys, the problem can only be one thing, and that is in your internet connection. What you want to do is go ahead and check out that your Wi-Fi is set up nicely and that you have a stable internet connection. As you can see, I'm currently connected to Wi-Fi, so it all works flawlessly. But if you're on your data, then maybe you do not have a great signal, and this is the root of your problem. You always need to make sure that your internet is up to date, because rarely does the application have the problem within itself, because the application is very nicely designed and does not usually have any latency problems. If you still continue to face errors, what you want to do is go ahead and contact Apple directly. Go ahead and contact Apple and send them an email describing your problem and your issues, and they will give you step by step what you have to do to fix it. But yeah guys, basically that's what you can try to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.